3 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 1700 square feet plus finished basement. I am Sanjay Gupta, broker with EXP. Super excited to bring this single car garage detached home with all bells and whistles in Orchard, Burlington for sale. This fully updated home with new hardwood floors, stairs, kitchen, appliances and basement are just few reasons for you to watch this video till the end. Buy at this location with confidence. It is sitting on 31 feet wide lot with beautiful sunny views in Burlington's demanding Orchard neighborhood. Highest ranking Alexander Public School and huge park in Burlington is just across the street. Bronte Creek Provincial Park is just at walking distance, few minutes away from Dundas and Appleby Lane, where you can find all big box stores. Super close to GO train station, 407 and QEW highways are just under 10 minutes drive. Simply unbeatable location to match with your fast lifestyle. Welcome to 5866 Blue Spruce Avenue. Unlike many homes, this home has huge porch with patio sitting where you can enjoy reading your novel or sipping through the evening coffee. On entry, you will see a gorgeous living room combined with dining room with tons of natural light flowing through all directions. The hardwood flooring with oak stairs is just completed to give a brand new look to this beautiful home. Welcome to your separate cozy family room where you can have all your dreams fulfilled. Lots of windows and patio door are filling this room with lots of sunlight. This showstopper brand new grand kitchen is where I want you to stop and feel what all you can do here. It has got all stainless steel appliances, quartz countertop and plenty of cabinet space. 18 breakfast area is super cute to get my favorite quick early morning coffee and a cookie. Backyard is where all action happens. You get fully fenced backyard with lot of gardening space. Already prepared patio gives you freedom for large outdoor parties. Three large bedrooms having access to two fully renovated bathrooms is what makes this house a lot more spacious. This master bedroom has one large walk-in closet and 4-piece master ensuite to fulfill all your desires and needs. The other two bedrooms are equally large with huge windows and closets. We are here in the basement, which is finished with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. There is a possibility to create a side entrance for in-law suite and income generating rental. Overall, this house is 10 out of 10 with absolutely no need to spend a penny and move in with your bags. I'm a listing specialist working solely in Halton with only one goal: to help seller realize their home's best potential with top class marketing, staging, bringing them the desired selling price. You can call me or my team to see this home or evaluate your home for free. I will see you at the next listing, and remember, make a smart move with Sanjay.